brisket.
Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today it's all about Alabama white sauce at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, classic sauce, been around for over 90 years, right? From Big Bob Gibson. And I'm telling you, if you want some good eating at the pit, you got to check this white sauce out. All right, we're going to be using it on some chicken today, but you can use it on beef, pork, whatever. All right, you definitely got to check it out. Now, for this recipe, you're going to need some mayonnaise. So we're going to use about 2 cups of mayonnaise to start out. Now, you can head on over to our website and get the exact ingredients, right? But this is how it goes. Now, here we're adding some extra hot prepared horseradish, about a 1/4 cup, more or less, right? Here we've got some yellow mustard, prepared yellow mustard. We're going to use about 2 teaspoons, more or less, right? Get that in there. Here we've got some apple cider vinegar, about a couple tablespoons, all right? Now, here we have a blend of cayenne peppers, some garlic powder. We've got a teaspoon of kosher salt. We got 1.5 teaspoons of fresh ground black peppercorn. We'll throw that in there, right? And you're going to need some lemon. A couple tablespoons, right? Simple enough. And use fresh lemon. There is a difference, right? So we'll squeeze some in. Now, I am telling you, this is one of the best sauces you can use around your barbecue. As you can see here, it's pretty simple to make. You just mix up all these ingredients. And you can use this as a marinade. You can use it as a baste. Or you can use it as dipping sauce. Man, I'm telling you what. Smells good. All right. You know how to do it. Now let's prepare the chicken. And here we're using a rub, right? And use your favorite rub for this, right? There's plenty of good rubs out there. Your preference would work, right? So we'll just cover this small whole chicken here with some rub. I'm telling you. And you can get some of it under the skin. We'll get it on that breast meat. You've seen us do this before. It's a good way to really flavor up that chicken. You get that flavoring underneath the skin for a ton of flavor, right? So we'll get some in over top of that breast meat. Oh man, I'm telling you. Now you can plan on 1 chicken per person. That's pit bastard privilege, but this will go fast. All right, now we're going to do this on the kettle grill. We're going to cook it at about 300 degrees, 325 degrees Fahrenheit. It won't take long to do. We're going to do indirect cooking. We're going to use it like a baking oven, right? All right, so we're about halfway through this. It might be 45 minutes, right? And we're going to just turn it around a little bit, get some even cooking. Oh, man. And here we're going to baste it, right? So take your paintbrush and take that Alabama white sauce and spread it all over the top of this chicken. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Now, you want to cook her to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Put the cover back on. And in a miracle of time, maybe about 20 minutes later, it's done. See it how it crusts up that chicken a little bit, right? That white sauce is awesome. Now, we're going to let it sit for maybe 10, 15 minutes. So all those juices, right, re-permeate this chicken throughout, right? Now, of course, you can serve this up any way you want, right? You could put it on a fancy-ass plate, put it on the dining room table, whatever. That's pitmaster privilege. We kind of like to just cut it up into some nice chunks right off that cutting board. Whew. Can you smell that? It smells good. Now, to make this real fancy for all your guests, you want to take your paintbrush, right, and do a Bob Ross. Ooh, look at that. We're eating good tonight, Martha. So this is the part where we're going to eat in front of you, and we're not apologizing. So to get the exact recipe, right, head on over to our website. Subscribe if you can. Follow us. Give us a big thumbs up. We do appreciate your support. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.